Hi guys, so I am making slime with no glue. So what you're gonna need for this ingredient for this whole slime, you're gonna need some soap and some salt and a spoon or a stick and a bowl, of course. So what you're gonna do first, just gonna pour all the soap in your bowl, some of it, not all of it. I'm sorry if this video is too late. It's just like the time on it, like up there, so it's gonna be quite hard. Okay, so once you're done with that, you're gonna pour some salt, like a little dip, like probably like that much. Actually, I'm gonna put some off with this, like that, and then you're gonna actually psych. I'm just gonna pour it on. I'm gonna pour that much. Let's pour it in. Actually, I'll pour a little bit more. Then you're gonna mix. You're gonna mix it very hard as you can, and it's gonna look like pretty clear pink if you use like this one or something. You can use any type of soap. And then you don't want to use too much of the salt because it will be watery, and then it won't be turning into slime. Then when you're done, and then you can go ahead and put your hands in it. It'll kind of be sticky, and as you can see, it's turning kind of to slime. Wait, definitely. I just got a Band-Aid. No, not a Band-Aid. I just got a paper towel for a minute. I mean, it'll probably be sticky while you put it in, so just put a little bit more salt so it won't be probably sticky. And it'll look pink when it's done. You don't have to use like this kind of soap. You could use any type, like I'm saying any type. Yes! If you guys want to know why I'm happy, it's because my family got a juice. And if you want to know where that voice is coming from, it's because of my cousin. He's playing Fortnite. I don't really like Fortnite. It's kind of boring for me. And then you're going to probably put it in the fridge for 5 minutes. So if you don't know how much 5 minutes, it's probably as long as, it's as long as this video. So it's not that long, so you're going to put it in the fridge for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, it'll probably be slime. And if it doesn't dissolve, you have to put more salt and then probably put it back in the fridge. And as you can see the fridge right there. And I'm going in it right now. Actually, it's going to be in the freezer. So you're going to put it in the freezer. Set the timer for 5 minutes. And yeah, that's how you make soap slime with no glue, no borax, nothing like that. And the best part, no food coloring either because it already has coloring in this soap. So, bye guys. Hope you subscribe, or also delete this channel. I don't know why I have this. Well, I'll delete this channel, and my aunt is coming right now, so probably like everyone has like soap, but they probably don't have salt. You can use any kind of salt. And that's how you make it. So, bye.